Hey guys, today we have this 2013 BMW 328 Xi. We will be diagnosing some rattle noise in the back and I'll show you what it sounds like. Starts the car and you hear that. Something in the exhaust, so we're gonna lift the car and see what's underneath. Get to it. Alright, first let's go ahead and confirm the problem. Let's lift the car. Alright, and then we're going to start the engine and see where the noise is coming from. Alright, let's get up and let's start the car. Someone gonna press the pedal. Go up real quick. Let's see. You can definitely hear that. Somewhere here. I think we found it. See that one? It doesn't have a clip. Alright, let's turn it off. Let's go ahead and check it. I believe there's a clip that goes in there. Right there. See this one? I think there's a C-clip that goes there. That's what's rattling. And that's this piece control it. There's a little piece that goes here. See that? That notch here should be that way and then it'll move. Let's see what's inside. I think there's a flop that goes in there. Let me show you. It's like a manifold. Check this out. Braun light from Harbor Freight. This is how you use it. There you go. See that one? I'm gonna go ahead, move that piece. See if I can reach it. See right there. There's a flop that moves there. There you go. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install the clip that goes in there and that should fix it. Alright guys, so here is the part that we need to install, and it can only go one way, and that's cheap part. It's called right there, Fixing Bow. It's only $17.25 from the dealership. So this can only go one way, because let me show you. It has to flip this way, like that, and you don't want to hit it from this metal piece and that piece. So I'll show you how to install it. All right, so first thing, this side doesn't move because that's electronic, so we're gonna leave it there. But this is moving, so make sure it's aligned like that. So what we're gonna do is make sure this is pointing up, and the one with the two with the curved side goes here where it's moving to the tailpipe, and the other side with the look like a cutoff will be the electronic part. So I would put it there. He has to move that way, like that. See that? You need to move that way. So put it there, get a pliers, and then you're gonna compress that. See if I can show you a better angle. You're gonna go ahead and compress this. See right here, so you'll see it. I would just hold the top and compress that. Let's see if I can hold this one and at the same time pushing it in. That. And it's almost there. See that? Then I have to pull it just a bit. Maybe I can push it down just a little bit. Let's see. And go ahead, pull that. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it again. Okay guys, before I install this, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this. This is the easiest way to put it. Disconnect this part. Remove these two bolts here. There's another third bolt. Leave it on. This is the only one you're gonna move. Okay. Okay, so once you remove that two bolt, just loose the third one so it will move just a little bit. And then remember, it's facing this way. The pipe side is the loop side, and the one that cut off look like cut off, it's right here in the electronic part. So first thing, I would put this cut off metal part to the electronic side, and make sure that this one is slot flip up that way. So let's put the clip on the electronic side, and then just align that on the pipe side. Once you have the from the electronic side, go ahead, screw back this electronic part. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I put the bolt back, not fully in, just to hold it. So the clip is on the electronic part, and we're gonna go ahead and install to the pipe side. What I'm going to do is kind of hold the bottom side and pull this top. Pull it towards me. And guide this one with your finger. It's kind of going up at the same time, pulling my way. And that should fall in. Let's see. There you go. See that? Now it's held in there. Make sure that's tight. I'm gonna go ahead, like kind of pry it out. Make sure it's really in. That's in. There you go. That's in. I could actually pull this up just a tad bit if you want more space, but that's in. See, that's in there. It's not going nowhere. So you can see I can, then now we can go ahead, put the bolt back in and plug this connector again. So now we have it installed. Let's go ahead and check the operation. Make sure it's not rubbing or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car and see what it looks like. Alright, you see that? That moves everything when you start the car. Did not interfere anything. And go ahead, turn off the car, and go ahead, you'll see that move again. Alright, that's good guys. Normal rattling noise. See that? I didn't hear any rattling noise. Let's go ahead start the car if you can hear any rattling noise from the above. There you go guys. I don't hear any rattling noise. Okay, so that fixed our problem in the rattling noise in the exhaust. The fixing bow, that's common that it'll drop from the car while it's driving. When it get loose, it got heat, and all you gotta do is buy a new part, then replace it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Till next time.